Hi people, today I'm in Edinburgh Holiday Inn in Leith, Holiday Inn Express I think it's called. So shall we take a look, see what this twin room's like. So as you can see, the emergency evacuation plan, and then card into your socket, light switch and door there, there's a light there, and you've got this full length mirror. And then you got iron there, hair dryer, and ironing board. And then you've got your towels there, coat hangers. And then there's bag stand and shelf there. And then you've got your coat hooks there, I think. I think they're coat hooks anyway, because it's like, they look like coat hooks. That one definitely is. Right, and let's go for bed, shall we? Comfy. Yeah, so you got mattress in case, mattress protector, mattress topper, and mattress, which is pretty clean on that one. So, and the clean headboard. Not dusty at all. So, and then you got this chair here with this desk table. So, and then we'll have a look at this one. And again, that one's okay. You got these night lights, which are fixing like that. And then turning your room socket off. And then your double socket with USB charging points as well. And it's up to you whether you want thermal soft pillows. And then you got phone there. Yeah, don't give you information. Bedside table. A little stain there, but it's just stain. Then you got windows, curtains there. Let's have a look. Curtains, yeah. And then you can open that to open your windows. It's quite cold out there as well. So, and then got like magazine stand thing, and you got, yeah, housekeeping, and then Edinburgh at your fingertips. Got a TV with clock on, and it's working. Yeah, works. Turn it off. You've got a socket here, double socket here. You got your kettle here. Let's have a look how clean it is. Very clean. And then you got your glasses and your cups. It's clean as well. Got your milks, coffee, teas, sugars, sweeteners, and we'll take a look at the bathroom, I think. A bin there. And of course you got your heater, air conditioning unit that isn't always great with those things because it feels so cold still. This is bathroom. Oh, so you got some toilet there, coat hook there, towels there, shaver's plug, and the bin and shelf there, and lovely clean sink as well, and mirror, and Dove hand wash there. Plus also, if you've forgotten anything, just ask at reception. And then you've got this shower got the shower mat, and then you've got the shower head there. Looks very clean. You've got Dove body wash, shampoo as well. And let's have a look at this. So you've got toilet area there. So you've got the sanitary bags, toilet roll, and your toilet. Let's have a look, shall we, if it's clean? Yeah. Oh yeah. So let me know what you think. And I paid £216 for 2 nights. £216 for 4 nights for 2 of us. So yeah. So roughly it works out £27 each a night, or £54 roughly, I think that is, a night. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, and I will catch you in the next video. And of course it includes breakfast as well, actually, if I forget about that as well. So that's breakfast as well included. So I will catch you in the next video, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.